If your drawer is broken or not sliding straightly, it's likely that your drawer roller guides may be an issue. And in this video, we'll talk about how to see if they are and how to fix your broken drawer. As always, like, comment, subscribe, and if you need some of the things that I display in my video, check the description for links. Okay, so that was indeed the issue here with this drawer. As you can see, the little roller here had lost its guide, and so the drawer was sliding. First step to fixing it is to remove the drawer and to remove the slides that are typically mounted right here. Then simply purchase a replacement pack of slides, and they'll be called, they're sometimes under the drawer track section or the track guide, but they look like this, and I'll open the package and install them in a second. But there should be a left and right roller guide in the drawer repair kit or whatever it is that you buy. So I'm going to pull these out and show you how to install them. But if you don't already have the width of the drawer marked, you're going to need to put the drawer in straight, mark the width of it. But since I already marked it when I was building these auxiliary drawers to go on top of a tall shelf to get a little bit more storage for some sandwich bags and things, I already have it marked, so I'm just going to use those marks. All right, so you could use an electric drill or an impact driver to drive the screws. Since I already have the screw holes and everything in place, I'm going to reuse the screws from the old drawer slides and install the new ones. So the replacement drawer rollers will look something like this. This is meant to hook over whatever they're hanging on the front lip where the drawer comes in and out. You just want to make sure there's one that's going to be a right and one that's going to be left. You can tell which is which by which side has the edge that's going to hold the drawer from slipping off the roller. All right, so this one's going to go on the right side. I'm going to go ahead and install that. Okay, so I've installed each of the drawer slides so that the edge is equal with the mark of the width of the drawer. And that's all there is to complete this job. I'm going to slide the drawer on, show you how it works, and then you can do it basically for $3. You fix the broken drawer, and everything works a lot smoother with the two correctly aligned roller track guides. All right, so here it is. In and out. It was a little loose last time with a little bit of play, kind of like you can see here. When I had set these, I wasn't as familiar. This one I've set tighter, and that's to prevent it from, when it has that side-to-side play, that's when things get busted, when people don't pull it straight. So this one, tighter fit, slides a little bit slower, but more of a secure slide.